Hello from Tanzania, everybody. Okay, so we've been cooking and eating a lot, and we've been filming everything. But since we're a sailing channel, we've just been showing you sailing. So Tasty Tuesday was born. If you just want to see sailing, skip to the next episode. But we asked you guys and you answered. So I hope you guys enjoy the most delicious braai pie I've ever tasted in my entire life. It's a braai pie vino. Good afternoon, world. We're making a braai pie. Last week, you guys got to see me learn how to make a braai pie. Now I'm gonna do it all by myself. Okay, we need wood, we need matches, a boy that loves fire. Perfect. Got our ingredients, but we're gonna add some things. We were taught how to make a braai pie, and this week, we are gonna try it on our own. So I'm gonna use the spinach and the cheese. I'm gonna add some mozzarella, some tomatoes, peppers, broccoli. Let's get started. First, I'm going to chop the spinach, boil it a little bit, and kind of make our vegetables a little soft because the braai pie cooks really fast. So the most important ingredient is a glass of wine. Don't tell anyone that I put ice in my wine. As the Africans do, I put some ice in my wine. So yes, this is my ice down glass of vino. First, we are going to put in the broccoli to soften that up, and I'm just gonna put the spinach on top of it, cook that really quickly. These I'm gonna put in as is. So let's go ahead and put in our broccoli first.
Do you think that sailing has changed your life for the better or for the worse?
Definitely for the better. Although every time I come to shore, I get afraid that like I'm gonna get used to it, I'm gonna wanna move back, but it doesn't happen.
We're in this beautiful place in the mountains in South Africa, taking a break from the sail, but sometimes it's just nice to come to a friend.
Everybody keeps asking me if there's culture shock coming to South Africa, but really it kind of feels like a home away from home. So I don't really feel like that homesick. It feels like Sonoma or Napa. It's just really beautiful, and everybody's so kind and friendly. No, there hasn't been a lot of culture shock. I'm going into the Kalahari and also seeing some of the townships, which is informal housing, which is where people make homes out of sticks and cardboard and tires and anything they can find, which are really common around here. That was a little bit shocking. So it's definitely a place to check out. You guys would really enjoy it. And if you love barbecues, you will love braais. Well, we have our vegetables steamed and sliced. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna make one vegetarian option because, as some of you guys know, the worst mistake I've made is becoming a vegetarian a week before I moved to South Africa. We're gonna make a meat option and a vegetarian option because we're in South Africa and they love their meat. Add our garlic, mozzarella, on the side. The schmeyer smells amazing. So now I'm adding asparagus. Add a little more cheese for the other side.
I hope you don't put that fingers back into that.
So now I've added a little salt and pepper, closed up my pie, and I'm going to now baste it. We're gonna stick it into the little toeknijp rooster. Toeknijp
Rooster.
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 Rooster. All right, we're ready for the toeknijp rooster.
The toeknijp rooster.
Ready for the toeknijp rooster. Success. So now I'm gonna baste the other side and shut the
toeknijp rooster.
Toeknijp rooster. All right, so now we're gonna add the vleis to the meat eater's pie. This is thinly sliced meat from the braai that we cooked last night, and it's beef. So I've learned something new. You're supposed to keep your wood and your flames on this side and your coals on this side for the braai, which makes total sense. Okay, so now the vegetarian option is a cooking.
My man.